So here I am at another one of the properties that I have for sale. This is 2 separate lots, 1.9 acres. As you can see, it used to be a house here, which was knocked over. There are utilities already here, and it's zoned for a single family home. So you could put 2 single family homes here at least. Beautiful, beautiful land. As you can hear the chickens. This is what you want, people. This is freedom. Grow your own food, have your own animals, take care of your family. Beautiful, beautiful. Come out here in Homestead, live a country life. As you can see, the electrical panel is right there. Ready to go. If you're interested, let me know. This is in Inverness, Florida. We're about maybe an hour and a half from Tampa, somewhere around there. Not too bad. Talk to you guys later.